Snow White? I guess.
Jessie!
Oh, whoa, you got a Jessie doll? Oh my gosh. Oh, awesome. This is really cute. A chocolate bunny? What? Is that a roll of quarters?
Yes. Another roll of quarters.
2 rolls of quarters?
Which is $10 each, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's $20. That's $40.
That's awesome.
That's $40.
What is this, Eden?
Zerg's gun.
Zerg's gun. Oh, from Toy Story. How does it shoot? Look, he's got a sight. Let's figure it out.
Makes cool noises.
That's really cool.
And it's got his name tag.
Her shoe came off?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put your shoe back on.
Oh, yes, you have 2 rolls of quarters.
Whoa, you got 2 rolls of quarters too?
The same as me. Are these
You guys
wings?
got tons of money from
Yeah.
Mr. Bunny today.
4 other wings for my wing sticks.
I think that makes Aslan have almost $60.